So moving on to the next set of award, which is for the Youth Icon South Female. మరి ఈ ఫీమేల్ అవార్డు గెలుచుకుంటుంది ఎవరంటే ఈవిడ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే 2010లో ఆమ్షి మిస్ యూనివర్స్ ఇండియా, మోడలింగ్ తర్వాత హీరోయిన్గా ఎంట్రీ, బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ హిందీ, తెలుగు, తమిళ్ వరుస సినిమాలు, దువ్వాడ జగన్నాథం, అలా వైకుంఠపురంలో, అరవింద సమేత, మోస్ట్ ఎలిజిబుల్ బ్యాచులర్, అరబిక్ కుత్తు సాంగ్తో హలమితి హబీబో, సూపర్ స్టార్ విజయ్ తలపతి గారితో మెస్మరైజింగ్ డాన్స్ మూమెంట్స్, ది మోస్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్, ది మోస్ట్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ యూత్ ఐకాన్ సౌత్ ఫీమేల్. నేను చెప్పను, ఏవి చూసేద్దాం, ఏవి ప్లీజ్.
She is the most in-demand actress of the country today. Working in 3 different film industries, her screen presence is impeccable, making every youngster in the country fall head over heels. She stands tall as the synonym of feminine perfection. From a devotional Gopi Kamma to an alluring Nilambari, from an opinionated Aravinda to a love-struck Prerana, this Butta Bomma makes it hard for the youth to take their eyes off. She can make the young hearts race with her Arabic Kuthu moves. Presenting the most sought-out actress in the country, IMA presents Miss Pooja Hegde as the Youth Icon Female of the Year.
Yes, Shivana, over to you. Please announce once again.
Youth icon of South Indian cinema, female Pooja Hegde.
Pooja Hegde, everybody! Congratulations to our Putta Bomma, Halamiti Habiba Pooja
Hi, Pooja.
Hegde!
Thank you so much. I think the biggest compliment I ever get is that I'm known by my characters or my songs because I feel that youth icon is something that's so intense. But it's a great sign that if you are unapologetically and authentically yourself, I guess somewhere down the line you can inspire people. So really happy about this. And this one also goes to my parents who have come today for the first time to see me receiving an award. Because I don't think anyone is as young in their heart as them, and they've always led by example that to keep the childlike self alive. So thank you. I get to do what I love doing. I pour myself into my work. My school motto was that there's no excellence without labor. So I want to thank them for reminding me that. So I constantly pour my heart and soul out, and hopefully I can continue to be a youth icon. Thank you.
Fantastic. Congratulations, Pooja. And we
Thank
will
you.
definitely not let you go before you do Halamiti Habibo for us. Can we have some music for Pooja? Thank you so much, Pooja, the youth icon of South. May you always remain the youth icon. Give it up for Pooja Hegde, everybody.